My name is Simon Ritchie and we're here at Baldwin Filters today. I have Levi Dexter, who is the lead product design engineer for the CV15010, which is a new filter for our lineup. This filter covers over 270 applications in the medium duty world. Levi, tell us a little bit more about your CV15010 and what it does.
Our CV15010 is a crankcase ventilation filter. It captures the oil coming out of a diesel engine. The oil is allowed to drain back into the crankcase while the clean air is allowed to vent to the atmosphere.
Is there anything special about this filter and how it was manufactured?
There's a few different things with the CV15010. We have in multiple locations. We use ultrasonic welding to help bond all of the plastic components together. Another thing we use is our proprietary peach media that's tucked down in here. There's two different layers of a fully synthetic media that's wound, and we use that to capture that oil coming out of that air.
Where's it made, man?
It's made right here in Nebraska, made right in the USA.
And last, how does it stack up against the OE in performance?
Our CV15010 meets or exceeds all of the testing and performance we found side by side from the OE and lab testing as well as in our field testing.
Nice. Let's go put one on a truck.
Today we are going to be changing the CCV filter on a 2014 6.7 liter Cummins. To do that, we are going to use our CV15010, an 8 millimeter, a pair of pliers, and some degreaser, foaming degreaser. Now we've got all the bolts out. Go ahead and spray everything down. Make sure you clean all the debris off of the valve cover. Next, we're going to go ahead and remove this hose clamp. Knock your hose off. Last step, remove your oil fill cap. Try to be careful lifting your cover off in case there is anything in there. It doesn't knock it down on the CCV. Gently lift up. Now it comes. Install. You're going to want to make sure your CCV area is cleaned up. Wipe down. So for the install, get some clean oil and lubricate the O-rings on the CCV. There's 3 O-rings on this filter. Press down firmly on that. Put your cover back on. I'm just going to go ahead and put this oil fill cap back on so we don't. There you have it.